What's up guys, my name's Rock, founder and owner of Gymreapers, and today I'm here to kind of talk a bit about if you should use lifting straps as a beginner. And the common consensus is, I think most of the time people may not want to use them because they either think that they might not know how to use them properly, so they just avoid it completely. And the reality is that while grip strength is important and you shouldn't substitute lifting straps as a replacement for grip strength, lifting straps absolutely have a place in your routine. And so what I mean by that is if you need to train grip strength on deadlifts or pulling movements so that you can improve your compound lifts and your grip strength, do it, right? But if you're working your back and you're doing a lat pull down or a barbell row, you're gonna wanna use lifting straps to isolate your lats and not necessarily burn out your shoulders, biceps, and forearms, right? And how you would use these properly, and I'm just gonna demonstrate it on the lat pull down here, is you're gonna stick, these are our lasso lifting straps, you're gonna stick the end through the loop here, and you can stick it through like so, right? And we're just gonna come over here. So we're over here at the lat pull down, and I'm just going to put my straps on so you can see how to use them and how they will isolate my lats, and so I can get the most out of this movement without burning out secondary muscles. Now, put these on, not too difficult. I don't always strap them all the way down. I like the tension felt when just as closest to the bar, or as closest to the bar as I can. And what you'll do, you'll want to pull the attachment. Obviously you're isolating your lats here. So I'm pulling with my lats and I'm not forcing my biceps and my forearms to do the work. A lot of the times you'll find that when you're going heavy and you're on those final reps, you're really swinging the weight and you're really not isolating the muscle that you're working. That's what lifting straps are used for. They're used to get the most out of your exercises. Once again, they're not a substitute for your grip. So there's multiple things you need to be training in the gym. This is just a tool to get the most out of what you should be isolating when you're training, okay? For what to say if they should be used for beginners, if you can use them properly and you're not using them as a crutch, then yeah, absolutely you can use them as beginners. And once again, I see a lot of people not using these right. You want to get your wrist as close to this attachment or the barbell as possible. If you have slack, see a lot of people have slack in the bar, you're not really using these straps at all. And so whenever I see somebody in the gym, I always kind of walk over and correct it just so they get the most out of the strap, right? And if you see somebody in the gym, do the same. You want to get the most out of your exercises, and by getting your grip isolated so that you're focused on the muscle, that's how you'll do that. So you can absolutely use them as a beginner. If you're interested in picking up our lifting straps, you can check ours out at gymreapers.com.